you today. Okay, now what you do with Oga safe now? You don't want TV money, Abi? So you be thief? You be liability?
You shut up there, stupid girl. Listen to me. I'm a very, very high-temper person. If you don't stop accusing me in this room now, I'm going to give you a dirty slap you'll never forget in your life.
Come now. Bring it on now. I for knock your face, eh? Even your mama not gonna recognize you. She go send you to go and blink you. I go knock you there. Come now. Come. You can give him a knock.
Hey, what's happening here? What's happening here?
Okay.
Hey.
They send this woman packing. Send this woman packing now, Oga, and they catch her. She get play your tape. Send her packing, Oga. Send this woman packing now.
What are you talking about?
Honey, I am sick and tired of this stupid maid of yours. Can you imagine this stupid, idiotic, stupid, foolish woman of a maid accusing me of stealing your money? She's like, no, leaving this house. I catch him.
What is my safe doing on my bed?
I saw her when I came to the room. She was trying to open this safe.
Hey! She's like, no,
shut up! Shut up! Out of this house! Out of this house!
Hey.
Go! Out! How dare you accuse my wife of stealing my money? How dare you? Nonsense!
See your mom. Do you know who I am? Accusing me of stealing my own husband's money.
You are fired.
Finish.
I don't want to see you in this house. Not even on these streets. Nonsense. Is it your money? My money is her money. Nonsense.
Juliana. Madam.
What happened?
Oga don't sack me.
What did you do?
Because I can't see that woman. She steal his money. She didn't steal his money. I go talk him now. He go sack me.
Are you sure?
Oh, madam. Juliana the class. Not that one a truth. But Juliana no dey lie now, madam. You don't dey lie.
Come with me.
Hey. I thought I told you not to come into this house. I thought I fired you.
I brought her here, Dad, and I want to know what she did to be fired.
Well, she accused me of stealing my own husband's money, so she was fired.
She accused you of stealing my dad's money because you actually stole that money. Is it not obvious?
Secret. Why? In my presence, you are accusing my precious wife of stealing?
Dad, come on, think. Why would this young and beautiful lady leave her country and come here and marry you and leave all those handsome men back in her country? As old and as ugly as you are. If not for your money.
Secret. You realize you just insulted me?
Dad, this woman wants to destroy you and destroy me. Can't you see?
So you insult me as an old man? Upon all, an ugly man? What? How dare you?
You bit me! Dad, you bit me.
Yes. I'm sorry. I lost my temper. I'm sorry. I love you so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Don't you dare come close to me ever again.
Sweetheart, I love you. You know I love you. I love you, eh? Please, if that is what's going to make you happy and better, you feel better, Juliana stays. Yeah?
Your daughter controls you.
You? Shut up.
Are you afraid of this girl?
Juliana.
Madam.
Come
Come with me.
Look, I love her so much. I'm not like, it's not like I'm afraid of her, but I love her so much. She's my only daughter. I can see because of you. I beat her. I lost my temper. Huh? Okello. 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 The shoes. Okello. Her bag is not here. Hey. Wow. She's gone. Okello is gone. Hey. Where's my little bag? Where's my bag? Where's my bag? I placed it here. It's gone. Her shoes are gone. Makeup kits are gone. Her bag is gone. Hey! She can't live without telling me. Hey! I'm finished. Okello. My bag, my money, my safe, the bag, all my checkbooks. Oh, Juliana was right. Oh, Okello has finished me. Oh, Okello, what a thief, Liberian thief. Oh, Okello, hey!
God, I thank you. I worship you too. God, I don't come here to ask you for one thing for the last time. My husband. God, send me my husband. Make he come take me from all this trouble. This my oga and his daughter, they caught me for this house. Anyways, guard and protect my oga and his daughter secret this night as they sleep. No forget to guard and protect me too. Okay. Now all I get to talk now. I could call you back tomorrow. Okay? Later. Hey! Mama, I will bleed you. You don't have to be my husband. I will bleed you in Jesus' name.
Juliana, it's me.
Madam. Now you they dressed like mommy water. No, you don't sleep.
Bring your voice down before you wake my dad up. Juliana, you know I like you.
You like me for where? Madam, I don't be lesbian no. See my tongue. Not see long. It's long for nothing no. I not fit leg honey pot. Not your honey pot. Where all this demand for this town don't service finish. I not go lick your honey pot. Forget. You be lesbian? Why not
God forbid, I'm not a lesbian. And I will never be. Come with me.
For where? For see? I see just like see woman so.
Come into my room. Here, come here, sit down, sit down. Juliana, I'm going out with my boyfriend tonight. I might not come back home. I need you to sleep in my room for me in case my dad comes to check up on me tomorrow morning, okay?
So far you go buy me Mercy Johnson movie. I could sleep. No problems.
Okay. But I need you to change this red nightgown.
Eh?
Just wear one of my nightgowns for tonight.
Listen, I no could change my party dress, madam. No, for that one, I don't want to sleep again.
Juliana, my dad is familiar with this red nightgown you wear every time. If he mistakenly finds you wearing it, you'll be in big trouble. Please, when I come back tomorrow, you can put it on and wear it back. I beg you, okay? Juliana.
I think I'm truth. And I could change in one of your dress.
Juliana, lock this door. Lock this door.
I could do them, madam.
Juliana.
I could do them. I go wear your dress.
Juliana, just lock the door for me, okay?
Madam.
Lock the door.
Madam.
What is it?
This girl, she dey go service her honey pot again, no? This girl, they do like to service her honey pot. One day, your honey pot go tire. Make her sleep, sha. Make her enjoy it. Oh.
So this Juliana girl didn't sleep here last night.
Secret. Secret?
Yeah?
Are you going somewhere?
We're going to a birthday party, Daddy.
So where is Juliana?
I don't know. Didn't you check her room?
I checked her room and everywhere else. She's nowhere to be found. What's that lying on the bed?
It's a note. We have your daughter. Don't call the police until you hear from us.
But how come this note is in your room? Meaning you didn't sleep here last night?
That's not the issue, Dad. Juliana has been kidnapped.
Kidnapped?
Dad, I hope you have nothing to do with this.
Secrets? Oh, I hope you have not become as stupid as Juliana. Why would I send people to come and kidnap my own maid?
Considering the way you're acting towards her lately, I have every reason to think you have something to do with Daddy.
Anyway, I have nothing to do with this. But let me be honest with you. I am very glad that Juliana has been kidnapped.
Dad!
Oh, yes. Yes. Don't you see how impossible she has become of late? Now, listen. Don't let anyone hear about this.
What?
Oh, yes. Left to me alone. God will bless those kidnappers.
Dad.
Ah, yes. Juliana kidnapped.
Juliana. Oh my God, it's all my fault. Hey.
Oh, Chriso.
Yo.
Charlie, what's up? I was just about to call you. Can you please take this food to the hostage for me?
All this food for the hostage? What are we the kidnappers going to eat?
Yes, now. Look, this is a rich man's daughter, and we must treat her as such, or else she's going to start misbehaving and start to miss her house, and you don't want that, do you?
You are right.
So let's not take that risk, please. Take it.
So when are we calling the father to pay the ransom?
If you ask me, let him worry a little. You know, that way he'll be anxious for our call, and when we do, he'll pay the ransom without delay. Pronto.
Yes, so if I see one car where I won't buy, it be my dream car, you know.
Oh, Chris, dream car. Tell you, let the money come first. Take this food to the hostage. She's hungry. Please. See the time.
Nah, not trouble. I don't want, sir.
But you want money. You want money. You don't want to carry food. Carry the food, go.
Good morning, my dear rich man's daughter. As you can see, I brought you breakfast. Come enjoy. Let me feed you. Take your time. Take your time. Relax. Relax, okay? You eat. Come on. Are you a vampire?
Chris.
Huh?
What do you think you're doing?
As you can see, I'm feeding the rich man's daughter.
You're feeding the rich man's daughter. And how do you expect her to enjoy the food with her hands tied?
Oh, come on.
Come on, what? Chris, for the last time, this girl is from a rich family and should be treated with some respect. Now untie her!
Yes, sir.
And be careful, she's a lady. Take your time. Excuse me. Please forgive my brother. He really means no harm. We're just regular guys trying to make ends meet. Once your father pay our ransom, we'll be sure to take you back unharmed. I give you my word. Okay? So we won't bother you again. Alright? My apologies. Please eat your food. That's right, eat a piece. Come on.
See your face.
We apologize, okay? Please have your meal.
Wait, oh. It be like, see, these kidnappers. Now, Madam Secret, they won't kidnap you. They can't kidnap me. This now sweet kidnap. See breakfast, Eba, for breakfast. Make a chop breakfast. Make a clean my legs. Now so they chop breakfast. See meat. See meat. Well, Oga, they deblast me from anyhow. He gonna be chopping up buff. Make a chop meat. Let me do this. Make a chop Eba. Sweet kidnappers. Like kidnappers. What do? God. I played last night. I say, God could bring my own husband for me. Could it be that God has sent my husband? God, I thank you. God don't send my husband in the form of kidnapper. Now me could take my husband, reform my husband now. Which one I could choose now? This one? No. I could take that one body. Tell me sweet things. If this is I be Madam Secret, I go chop big man.
Hey, baby, you're here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, wow, you didn't call before coming. What a pleasant surprise.
I mean, do I need to inform my own boyfriend before paying him a visit?
Hell no. Anyway, I miss you.
Who is the lady in your room? Who is she?
Wait. That is my girlfriend. I hope you had no beef with her, right?
You see, I'm innocent. Look at you, my chocolate, juicy-licious dessert topping. You look so beautiful today. I miss you, I really.
I miss you more than you do.
Are you sure?
Do, baby.
Nice. By the way, what are you watching?
Just been here watching you on the screen.
Morning. Did you have a good night's sleep? That's good. That's good. Well, I just stopped by to say thank you. Thank you for being such an understanding person. You really have a good heart. You do. I mean, ever since we brought you here, you've done nothing to cause a scene or draw outside attention to us. And I really appreciate it. And most of all, you understand our circumstances. I wouldn't want to waste your time, man. So, I'll send you breakfast in a minute. Okay?
I know you've been hurting, but I've been waiting to be there for you.
Hello?
Hello, sir. We are kidnappers. Grab your daughter.
Oh. So you finally called?
Yes, I hope you are ready to pay the ransom. $100,000. If you want to see your daughter alive. Why are you laughing?
You see, I'm sitting here enjoying my juice, enjoying the day. And you see, you are a big joke. And as I'm drinking my juice, enjoying this day, I am laughing at you. Where have you heard in this world that $10,000 is being paid on the head of a maid, a common maid, as ransom?
What?
You heard me. You heard me, Mr. Kidnapper. The girl you are keeping in your house or wherever you are keeping her is my maid. My very miserable, rude, and arrogant house girl. In fact, I was looking for ways and means to get rid of her. But you see, God who sits up in heaven answered my prayers by asking you people to come and take her to save me. So, if you like, you can keep her and get high blood pressure. And if you keep her, you'll just have to be ready to experience her miserable life and how miserable your life can become. You hear? Nonsense.
You trickster! Why don't you tell us that you're nothing but a common maid?
But you don't ask me now. You don't ask me if I be maid. I be Oga's daughter. You just gonna take me without any notice now. Anyway, Sha, kidnap now kidnap. You don't blame me already come. Eh? You say you are lucky though. Some people go, they come back empty-handed. You blame person come. And the person not person, no business like this too.
Shut up! Shut up! You seem to talk so much for just a common maid. Now, I don't care how you leave, but I want you out of this house this minute. Out.
Joe, as fine as you be so, I don't know say you be fool. You don't get sense at all.
Come on, calm down. Calm down, Joe.
Joe. Now say the best. Calm down, oh. Make we all cool our temper here now. Make we find solution to these problems. As I was saying now, I don't know you be fool. You don't get sense. So you won't work without pay. You must get in your pay for bringing me here. You must get in pay. Come, my Oga. He go pay you. Come.
So you think this is a joke, eh? Well, your stupid Oga I just called is not willing to pay ransom on you. Not even a kobo.
My Oga. Now lie. Call my Oga now. Come, make her express myself to him. Go in now.
Okay. I think this is a joke. I'll call you.
I know you've been hurting, but I've been waiting to be.
Yes, hello.
Hello, sir. Yes, it is I. So you think this is a joke, right? Well, I have your maid here with me. Hold on and talk to her.
Bring her. Hello, Oga. Na me, Juliana. Oga, please, come and save me from these kidnappers. Although they are good kidnappers, they are very good kidnappers. They bring me breakfast for bed. They even bring me lunch for bed. Oga, but I miss you and Madam Sickle very, very much. Please come and take me away from here, I beg.
The kidnappers are good to you, eh? They're good for you. Very good for you. You hear? As I'm sitting here in my house, enjoying my comfort, those kidnappers can give you 1 day old poo-poo of a dog to eat. I care less. You hear? You hear, Juliana? And let me tell you, don't ever call this number again. And tell your kidnappers never to call me again. Nonsense.
What did he say?
Okay, Oga, okay, I go do.
Give me this phone. What did he say?
I talk him now. I talk him. You see? The way I come class for phone now. So he say he understand. He could pay the money.
If you like, they can even give you amala and fetridachi mixed with agbo. I don't care. Are you sure?
But the thing they say, he there for meeting now. After the meeting, he could call you too. Then he could pay the ransom. You see? I talk him. You relax. Go and relax yourself. He go pay.
Juliana? Didn't I tell you to leave this house at once?
Wait. Juliana, have you been crying?
No, Oga? But I thought Chris said this lady was his girlfriend.
She's our maid.
Wait. She's not our maid. And she's not our girlfriend too. She's helping us out and we are helping her too. Okay?
What are you still doing here? For Christ's sake, Get out of here! What's the meaning of this?
Can I get you something to drink?
A juice will do.
A glass of juice? No.
Juliana, I brought you food.
Oga, not be food matter, they lolly me now. Not be food matter, my problems now.
So, what is worrying you?
The thing you say, me, I love Oga Joe. I love him very, very much. No, the thing you say, he can hate me very much. I say, I do him anything.
Joe doesn't hate you. He's only angry because of your pretense to be someone else. Don't worry. Everything will turn out fine, okay? Come on, put out a smile.
You should not be smart in business, so.
Dad, I'm talking to you. Just listen to me, please.
Secret. I have told you over and over again that I am the head of this house. And whatever I say goes.
Fine. Then I would inform the police on my own.
You will not do such a thing.
But Dad, she could be somebody's daughter. For all you know, she could be in danger. And I could be the one, please.
Well, that makes it a different story altogether. Thank God it's not you.
Dad, this is heartlessness. This is wickedness, Dad.
You can call it whatever. Now, Secret. I sometimes hate you when you disrespect me. I have an important day. Very important things to do. I'm going to work. Allow me.
Dad.
Man, any news about Juliana?
No, not yet.
Where would she go without informing us?
Probably gone back to her Oga's house.
I really miss her.
What? Juliana?
Yes, Juliana.
I thought you hated her with all your strength.
Oh, come on, man, drop that. Okay, me hating Juliana was just a cover-up not to express my feelings. But ever since she left, I felt this emptiness in my heart. It's...
Oh, I must say you're a very good at, my friend. But I remember one night she told me she loved you, but I asked her to swallow it.
Really?
Now all I do is miss her.
Hello, how are you? Fine. We are looking for one Mr. Larry. Yes. Okay. Since she left the palace, we learned that she has been staying here. I don't know why she has to leave the palace and find herself in this environment. Look at it. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Morning.
Please, are you Mr. Larry?
Yes, I'm Mr. Larry. Please, what can I do for you?
Good. I am Matanzuma, the special envoy of His Royal Highness, the King of Izoka land. The king sent me in search of his daughter, Princess Juliana. We heard that she is living here. We got information that she stays here.
Princess Juliana. The Juliana we know of is not a princess. She's a maid.
My sister is not a maid.
Juliana is the princess of Izoka land. And this is Princess Afima, her younger sister.
Juliana.
Where is Princess Juliana?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry to inform you that Juliana was kidnapped a few days ago.
By who? Who kidnapped kidnapped my sister.
What?
My sister is kidnapped.
Princess Juliana kidnapped?
Well, excuse me, I don't know the kidnapper personally, but we've been communicating. I have his telephone number.
Please call. Oh God, what is this? What's going on? That's okay. We'll take care of it. It's okay. Alright? Take it easy. We'll find the princess, okay? We'll find your sister.
It's Juliana's boss.
What?
Here, take it.
No, pick up.
Okay. Hello?
Yes, this is Mr. Larry. Yeah. Am I speaking to the kidnapper? Now, I am ready to pay the ransom to get Juliana back.
Give me the phone. Hello? Now you listen to me, Mr. Kidnapper. Princess Juliana is a princess of Izoka land. The father, the king, is willing to pay double your ransom to get the princess back. Yes. Okay. So you tell me where and when I should bring the money. Okay. You get back to us? All right. Hello?
Talk to me, Joe. What is it?
Juliana is indeed a special person.
Yeah, she's been saying that, but I don't understand.
Juliana is the princess of Izoka Kingdom.
What?
The men I just called offered to pay twice our amount just to get her back.
Joe, we have really gotten ourselves in a big shit.
They call me. Are you crazy? What are you going to tell the king?
Yes, it's true. We have your daughter. Just get the money ready. I'll call you back and tell you where you should meet us.
Are you crazy? What have you done? Do we have Juliana? Or are you just trying to get us into trouble?
Cool down. We will work out, okay? I know what I'm doing.
Hey, sorry I woke you. Here I bought you these.
You buy me clothes?
Yes.
Hey.
Do you like them?
I like them.
I knew you would. Juliana, there's something I'd like to ask you.
Hey, Oga, I'll hear you.
Can I take you out to dinner? Like a date?
Hey, Oga, I could go to this with you.
Is that a yes?
Hey, I could go.
Here we are. Juliana, it was fun being out with you tonight. Do you know why a man takes a lady out on a date?
No, Oga.
A man takes a lady out on a date only when he feels something special for her. And special is what I feel for you, Juliana. Juliana, I love you.
Oga, now what time you come love me? You already hate me so much with all your strength.
No, I don't hate you. My actions of hatred is just a cover-up to hide my feelings for you, Juliana. But I love you ever since you stepped in this house. I just couldn't express it. But the question is, do you love me?
Yes, Oga.
Don't call me Oga.
Yes, Joe. I love you. I love you very, very much.
What is happening here? Afrima, Matazuma, who told you two I was here?
Baby, relax. I actually invited them here. Sir, my princess, once again you're welcome.
Thank you.
With no further delay, this here is the $20,000 that you paid in ransom for the princess.
Why are you returning the money? You requested for it, for her ransom.
Yes. Yes, it is true that I requested this money, having kidnapped the king's daughter. But it is also true that she kidnapped my heart in return. And I humbly ask that you inform the king of my intentions to take his daughter's hand in marriage.
Matazuma, it's okay. Afrima, you knew why I left home and came out as a nobody. And yes, Joe here is the man I want to get married to. I love him.
Juliana, so you did all this just for a man? I mean, all the sufferings and the humiliation as a maid was just all for a man?
Afrima, my dear sister. Yes. I did all this not only for a man, but for a good and loving man. A man who has so much to give, so much love. And that's him, Joe.
Meanwhile, I have so much love in me. In fact, I've been looking and searching for someone to love, someone to be my wife all these years. And little did I know that I had just that perfect one under my roof. All this while. Juliana.
Well, my good friend Larry, I hate to put it this way, but I'm terribly sorry you're late.
Yes, Larry. You're too late. In fact, I'm very sure that my father, the king, is going to approve our marriage.
My princess, if that's the case, then you go and get ready so that we can return to Izoka land and meet His Majesty.
I got a maid in my home right now. She drives me crazy all the time, and I don't know how to make her go away, despite the fact that she is crazy. I got a maid in my home right now, right now. She drives me crazy all the time. I don't know how to make her go away, despite the fact that she is crazy, crazy, yeah. Don't do this, don't do that. Don't touch this, don't touch that. Don't say this, don't say that. But she'll break all the rules every day. Her name is Juliana. You cannot control her. She'll always make you laugh, but she breaks all the rules every day. Step on her toes, she'll show you fire. Never tell her what to do, she's the master. In the house, everywhere. In the house, everywhere. Juliana, the crazy maid. Juliana, the crazy maid. Juliana, the crazy maid. The crazy maid, the crazy maid. Juliana, the crazy maid. Juliana, the crazy maid. Juliana, the crazy maid. The crazy maid, the crazy maid. She knows every word in the house. She never cares about what you think. The only one who knows what she's up to. But again, her attitude don't fit one bit as a maid or anybody, and she's stuck with me like glue. I got a maid in my home right now.